All right, so we've now decided on our data set, and I'm going to go ahead and we'll say view the data set. And I will get a pop-up with the current information, a description of the information, as well as some, understanding of defaults and how the data is treated. Okay. If I did have jobs associated with, if I looked at it previously or queried it, I would be able to see that here. You also see I have a summary of the same information over here. Okay. I can decide now to open this up further, and this is again just the overview of what exists here, what type of information we have. And then when I open up the data set, I'll see that there's multiple tables within this data set. Okay, one of them is simply a very small file that looks at the country, its code, its name, and its area in square kilometers. I can see birth and crude rates here of birth and death by country and year. There's mid-year population estimates for each country, looks like. And, right now I'm just kind of looking at the schema level of information, but you'll see each time I click on a data set, this information below changes, okay? Because the data, the structure of the information I'm looking at is changing. So for example, this mid-year population, age, and sex tells us how many people are estimated to be living at the mid-year point for all of these individual ages, okay, by country code. So the field name here in the table information, the table schema, is equivalent to my column headers or in a spreadsheet program for those that are new to Google Query and the database structure of a relational database. Okay, so I could click on details. I could get, again, at the database level, at the data set level, get some of this information that I can also see about the overall data set. And then if I were to click preview, it would show me a very sort of reminiscent of a spreadsheet view with each row and my column headers, and I can see what's here.